Hello friend, this video I am going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel in your WordPress website. So I request friend, if you are newer in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please left your question in the comment box. I will try to reply. And this is the processor. Click the all event tools, okay, here, and click the event manager, okay, there. Then click the connect data source website. Next, and friend, if you need any help from me, you can contact me and give a name here. Okay, then create. Okay, then connect data website. Next, let me check. Object, here is the conversation. Okay, next, server location. No, I will not take this one. Setup, integration manually, see partner, setup manually. Okay, then conversion pixel API. Then here start security conversation, casting station start. Right. Then click finish. Then create a personalized conversation API. Right. Okay, then I will click continue, and then select event, location, complete registration, view content. Then select your business from here. My business is professional service. Okay, then registration. I'll check mark all this area, and then next. And then best practice, everything I'll check. uh, Check mark. Okay, then next. Okay, then then next. Okay, then send instruction. Okay, then continue. And same instruction, click there. And this is the code. Copy this code and copy this metapixel base code and paste the pixel code between the head. Okay, so and then access your website and click the theme appearance, then header.php. then see the head starting, head ending, before ending head. Okay, place your code and update file. Okay, so now I will go there and save website before returning. Save your code. Okay, any other document, then continue, then turn on advanced messaging. Okay, then done. And friend, if you want to contact me and want to and if you need any help, please check my description box. You will find my contact information there, and please try to contact me with WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. Okay. and and now see the pixel is not now see the pixel is showing here, and then after then you have to set up event, and then the pixel the event is firing here. So this is the procedure, and if you need any help, please you can contact me. I left my contact information in the description box. Thank you. Have a good day.